All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, as you can see, we're not going to be riding the Grom, the Navi, or the Duke. We're going to be riding Connor's Ruckus clone, whatever you want to call it. He's currently filming for us, so he's gonna tell us what all is done to the bike, give you guys a little walk around.
All right, hey guys, so pretty much this is an Icebear Maddog. It's a clone of the Honda Ruckus. Came as a 50. We did the GY6 150cc swap on it. Since then, I've done a lot of customization to it. As you can see, custom paint. And then the coolest part about it is this exhaust. And this is a Savage custom exhaust made out in Thailand. Dude does incredible work. Shout out to him. On the back, we've got Monster GY6 12x8. Obviously, you got to have that stretch look. We got the R6 fender to give a little, keep your back from getting wet. Obviously, custom ankle biter put on it. It's got a 26 mil slide carb from Roland Wrench. Put on some custom handlebars, custom grips, levers. I've also put on the OG Ruckus headlights to give it a better look than the Icebear tiny little lights. And that's about all the customization I've done to it.
You gotta remind me, this in or out?
Out.
Okay. Let the bike get warmed up, and then we'll throw on the GoPro and we'll go for a ride. All right, let's get this party started. Between Adam and Connor, they've definitely inspired me to build a scoot life, baby. Let's get it. Oh, dude, I want one so bad. Turning is a little bit different than if you were on a Grom. She's a little dirty. She's a little dirty bird. It's got a nice, I don't know if you can see the angle, but it's kind of got like a chopper stretch vibe. Seat's actually seat's pretty comfortable. Man, I wish this was cleaned off a little bit. We're cruising at about 25 mile an hour. I'm sitting here looking for the brake and the clutch. It ain't got one. It's got two brake levers. Let's get it, boys. Loud. 40, 45, 50. 60, so we're going 55, 58. Back off of it a little bit. Man, this thing is so much fun. A lot of customization done to it as well. I forgot to mention he's got a button under the seat. He's got LED lights on it like we have on the Grom, the Duke, and the Navi. Actually, every bike I have, Connor's had a hand in putting the lights on it. Oh yeah, this is like the perfect beach cruiser, but Connor said riding it for like a long period of time, like with the stretched, kind of the longer handlebars, having your arms extended, he said it gets old and tiring. But like I said, I think if I were to do one, I'm going to do the 171 build for sure. Comment down below and let me know what do you guys think about this Icebear Maddog GY6 150 swap. Seems I still think it'd be a cool bike to have as a beach cruiser. The exhaust is pretty loud. Hopefully it's not drowning out the mic. But yeah, seat's really comfortable. I'd say it's nimble enough. They did a great job building this thing, man. If you guys are interested in me just riding other people's stuff, comment down below and let me know if you'd be interested in just me riding videos like this. I'm enjoying making riding videos like this. We got to convince Honda to let me take that MT-03 out and make a riding video on it as well. That parallel twin sounds amazing with that aero exhaust. But I mean, we're cruising at like 45 miles an hour and it doesn't feel like a death trap, but I mean, as you can see, we are extremely close to the ground. So you're not going to be able to lean into corners like you would on the small bore stuff, but that's not the purpose of this type of beast, this animal. And of course, everywhere you go, people always ask you, oh, what is it? Blah, blah, blah. Looks good. You know, riding wrong, whatever. They don't even bat an eye. They always go up to the scooters and be like, yo, what are those? The only thing is, there's no mirrors. I don't know if anybody's behind me, but we're gonna make this turn. Actually, we're gonna take a right. This man's riding dirty. No mirrors. I'm sitting here looking for mirrors right now. Is that a duck? What is that? A pigeon? Hey, little buddy. Oh wow! I didn't even know this road brought you back to the water. That's cool. Yeah, I definitely think we're going to be building one of these on the channel. That's a big fat. Alright, now obviously this thing ain't going to be able to make it. Let me put my leg off here, right there, boy. Yeah. I think if I were to build a ruck like this, I think my girlfriend Kylie, I think she'd be able to ride it too. Just have to get her comfortable. Like I said, all you gotta do is pull the gas and go. So I definitely think this is something she could get used to riding. Oh, there's the pigeon again. It's pretty peppy, man. As soon as you pull the gas, the power's there. Bike's wanting to go, that's for sure. Let's get it. 30, 40, 45, 50. 55, 56, 60. need to find more people around here that are small bores. So we can get some group rides together. Alright, my turn is coming up here somewhere. I will pass it, I know I will. It's right here. Yeah, it's right here. Let's go back. Oh yeah, I love this thing. I didn't intend for this video to be this long, so thank you guys for watching, and it's time to start figuring out how I'm gonna build my ruck. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.